They're off on the inside. It's Torpitz Helga. Out in the middle of the track, Lovely Bell trying for the lead. Along the inside, Tara Rogill third. Around the first turn, with the lead is Torpitz Helga. Tara Rogill second. Lovely Belly outside third. Iris Barman moves to take fourth. Adoris Kitty fifth. Bo Scott's Taffy the outside sixth. Off stride, Bash, Bish, Babe. They're at the quarter pole. Torpitz Helga draws away by 2.5 lengths. Tara Rogill on the inside is second. Parked on the outside, Lovely Bell third. Iris Barman fourth. Adoris Kitty fifth. Bo Scott's Taffy far back to Bash, Bish, Babe. The quarter mile 29-2. At the top of the stretch the first time, Torpitz Helga with the lead. On the outside, Lovely Bell challenging for the lead. Tara Rogill on the inside third. Iris Barman on the outside a closer fourth. Bo Scott's Taffy and Adoris Kitty trailing the field is Bash, Bish, Babe. They reach the half mile. It's Torpitz Helga by a nose, 101 for the half mile. They swing around the clubhouse turn the final time. Torpitz Helga shows the way. Lovely Bell parked on the outside is second. Along the inside, Tara Rogill maintains third. On the outside, Iris Barman fourth. Bo Scott's Taffy fifth. Adoris Kitty and Bash, Bish, Babe. Down the back stretch, the final time, sweeping 3 wide, is Iris Barman up the challenge. Torpitz Helga for the lead. Iris Barman out in the middle of the track now has the lead. They're about a 3/4, 1:32.3. Into the final turn, Iris Barman with the lead. Bo Scott's Taffy rushes up the challenge. Torpitz Helga third. Adoris Kitty fourth. They're at the top of the stretch. Iris Barman on the inside. Bo Scott's Taffy on the outside, challenging and moving for the lead. Through the stretch to the finish, Bo Scott's Taffy on the outside leads it now by 2 lengths and draws out. Bo Scott's Taffy.